hide from you.
Don't hide from me.
What? Are you filming? Hello.
Hold on, welcome back to the Freakless She Create. Oh, crap. We're abandoning that branding, never mind. Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to be building a Rhino puppet for our
James
play.
Giant Peach.
Yeah.
April 27th, 28th, 29th at Bishop Dwenger High School.
In case you're in the area. But basically this is not going to be a tutorial at all. This is a video called Watch Us Struggle While We Try.
Well, Hannah tries and I do what she tells me. Because
basically.
Not artist.
But, so we have chicken wire for framing. We have PVC for support. We have spray paint for massive coverage of this. We have air drying clay for sculpting the rhino's body and such. We have any adhesive that could ever be used, including Elmer's glue and hot glue, my favorite.
I was gonna say we have a dog for moral support, except she left and she wouldn't let me grab her.
Okay, we have Capri Suns and Cheetos and baby waters for hydration and sustenance. And also, it's not here, but we're gonna need cardboard and newspaper so we can paper mache first so that our poor little puppeteers don't have to be bodybuilders. Also, we're gonna need wire cutters to cut the wire. Yes.
Hannah Sadukar, if you're watching this on editing, I love you and you're beautiful, and I could never ask for a better fiance. I don't even know if you can hear all this, but I love you.
What did I come here? Flyers.
Please.
I usually
I already got rejected by a cat today at Lowe's.
You want some water? Well, I want some love, but apparently neither of us are gonna get it.
like it's oh no, my necklace is stuck to my bra.
Sorry, Ethan. Move aside. Oh no. Don't me. Just get real close. Daddy, move over.
This is going to be the hardest part because I didn't really think this through. I thought I could just mold it. But
Ethan's a lucky boy. We support furries here. She understands the gay agenda.
moral support? Amoral support.
Immoral support.
Be moral support. Why are we like this? Okay, so the shape of this is actually probably going to be helpful.
Yeah, I was gonna say you can make that like
The snout,
Yeah.
the schnoz. I feel like I'm constantly emotionally ready to build a rhino. It's just
a mood I'm always in.
she likes you a lot more than Ethan. So if we have this, we're gonna want this convex. Yes, that's the right term. Just gonna wrestle it. Love wrestling. I mean, we still want this part kind of like. There was no what a rhino looks like. Apparently not.
We almost died. It's not a big deal, really.
This is the best material that I can use for this, but it's still very frustrating.
Yeah.
You wanna curl
it's
those up?
malleable.
Yeah.
But it's not like super.
It's just because I don't have like I have the shape in my brain, but to get this in that shape, and also the fact that it's not very tall. I need some chickens.
I know where I can get you some.
Kind of every time I try to make a rhino from memory, it looks like Pokemon.
Like the chameleon meme of someone trying to draw a chameleon from memory.
So like we have the general shape of this rhinoceros right here. Right? Paper mache day. Gotta get some of that off-brand Scholastic glue, because, you know, we can't all be Elmer Queens.
It's okay. It's like sometimes she's cheaper, and we respect that. We respect the bargain.
Mm-hmm. This isn't actually how paper mache works, but this is how it's working today. I like cookies and cream.
I like cookies and cream, and I like cookies dough. I can help you with this.
You can. Time to get messy. Boyo.
Maybe we should make a separate pie.
Oh.
Why can't I rip this?
Honey, what are you doing? Find a crease. What are you doing? I'm an addict.
Are you fighting it?
Yeah.
Okay. White substance on our fingers. It's arts and crafts.
What beauty. I love her.
Hi. I should have tied my hair up before this.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you want a scrunchie?
But I don't.
I'll just
Hide the hideousness of my overgrown undercut. What a woman. Get you a girl who ties your hair up. She's not symmetrical, but that's okay. I just have a lot of experience with doing things that I don't know what I'm doing.
What are we gonna do? We're not gonna have enough glue, Hannah.
We don't have to paper mache it like that much more.
Chunk in the front, chunk in the...
Trunk of the trunk. Trunk of the trunk. Junk in the trunk.
Chunk in the trunk, chunk in the trunk.
Trunk. If I say chunk in the trunk, it just sounds like I'm saying trunk in the trunk. Chunk in the trunk. Trunk in the trunk. Trunk in the trunk. Chunk in the trunk.
The chunk and trunk and the trunk and trunk in the trunk. Chunk in the trunk. Chunk in the trunk.
Junk in the trunk and the trunk in the trunk.
Oh my god.
Junk in the trunk and the trunk in the trunk.
Mood.
I think this is good.
Yeah.
I feel like I have the shape of a rhino head, so like
We're halfway there. Not really. We haven't been
not
the bottom.
even close.
Okay, so technically this is the second day on building the Rhino. Not second day, second time. It's been a lot of days. A lot of time has elapsed since me and Paloma started working on this. Our first idea was a bust. I did try to sculpt it with clay, but because of the shape and the texture that we used with the Rhino, it cracked and kind of fell apart. So, I mean, trial and error. So now I'm just paper macheing the rest of the Rhino and sculpting with the paper, and I'm gonna paint that. So that's all you're gonna see in the videos to follow. It's not much of a tutorial because, again, I still don't really know what I'm doing. But yeah, that's it. As you can see, I've also added the horns, the eyes, and the ears since, which I all just made out of paper. If you want to know how I did that, well, the eyes I used the bottoms of Easter eggs. But if you want to know about that, I'll leave that in the description below. Cool, let's go. since I filmed with Paloma, the Rhino vlog. That's what I'm going to call it because, you know, the fact that it's not actually a tutorial because we suck and I suck. But I thought I'd just give you an overview of what happened. Well, first, now I have bangs, so it's obviously been like a while. So the whole thing was kind of a bust. We did it late at night and then didn't get it done. Then you see like a time lapse kind of thing of when I was working on it. I didn't even film it all because my phone was like low on storage. That was cringy, I'm sorry. And then what happened was because it was for a school production, we ended working on it all the way up to the day to like tech week and the last rehearsals, which it didn't look bad because it was for a stage show. So there was no like close-ups of it, which it was cringy up close, but I did end up using like fabric on the inside because it was a hand puppet, and the paper mache worked and I spray painted it. But yeah, that was it. And I think I'm still going to post it because I want to shout out my girl Paloma. Y'all have never seen her, but I talk about her a lot and I thought you should get to know her. Didn't close it out. I'm a great YouTuber. And the fact that I have no pictures of the final product. It's great. It really is. I know this is an absolute mess and that's how I close out like all my videos. So if you want to take a risk, you're feeling edgy today, why not subscribe to my channel? And if you're a big fan of the horrible filming and updates, then leave a like down below, comment whatever you want.
Is that it? Goodbye.